everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I want to introduce you with the Holosport SollaWave, which is the world's first 5-in-1 music swimming goggles. If you have ever tried to build a full swim setup, you know it usually means multiple devices. Goggles, waterproof headphones, a smartwatch, sometimes even earplugs. That's where this comes in.
Welcome, I'm SollaWave, your swim buddy.
This is a smart swim system that combines goggles, audio, and performance tracking into a single device. Instead of managing multiple pieces of gear, everything is built into one streamlined solution. To properly test it, we brought it into a real swim session to demonstrate it. As you can see, setup is minimal, but what really matters is how it performs in the water. So let's check this out.
Demons in my head again, let me grip my lyric pen. Fire burning from my junk. Pulling sons, I won't stop, so don't confront too much. Supposed to be a grunt. Watch my back and also front. Chop it off, I pick it up. Tupac is a mean one. Heavy like machine guns. Talking like they heard about me, they ain't never seen one. You ain't really about it, I can see it through the screen, son. Thinking limit lane, busters never trust they jaws. Like you want it, my opponents never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment.
The underwater audio is the key highlight here. During our testing, the sound remains stable and consistent, even during active swimming. Turns, push-offs, and continuous movement. More importantly, the audio stays clear underwater without interruptions, which is something that's usually difficult to achieve. That level of consistency helps maintain focus and read, making the overall swim feel more immersive and controlled. The goggles themselves feel secure, they stay in place well, and our model did not experience any major fogging during the session. This is a short adjustment period, but once you get used to it, the system feels very natural. And overall, the Holosport SollaWave is designed to replace multiple devices with one integrated solution, simplifying your setup while enhancing the swimming experience. So if you are looking for a smarter and more streamlined way to train or enjoy your swim, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.